Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments. I'm Nancy Myrland, president of Myrland Marketing and Social Media, and I'm a marketing and business development advisor specializing in content, social, and digital media for lawyers and their legal marketers. Let's talk about the way that you write or create content. What I want you to strive for is to be conversational in your tone. And I know some of you are going to get a little bit nervous about that and think, but we're lawyers or we represent the legal profession. We have to always sound really, really professional. Well, I'm one of those people too. I represent the legal profession and I strive to always sound professional. But there is a difference. There is sounding professional and smart and wise and giving good advice and showing up and being consistent. And then there is being so formal that people only hear a stilted presentation in your voice so that it sounds like you are very scripted. Now, did you hear what I just did there? I just did what I was saying. I wasn't reading anything. I was just pretending. But what I don't want you to do is to come across as though everything is written out and it's just perfect. And oh my gosh, I just took a breath. I need to take a breath there, but I can't because I was still in the same sentence. So I sounded like I was losing my breath at the end of it. So what I want you to strive for, because when we do audio, it is really easy to edit out a breath. And I do that all the time because I get excited when I record. I love doing this. So what that often causes is the need for me just to take a little breath in between things. And it's very easy for me to cut that out. It's very easy for me to take a big breath and edit that out. I left that one in just so that you can hear it. It sounded like I was scared of something, didn't it? But what I want you to do, I want you to strive for a conversational tone, whether that is the examples I just gave you were when you were recording content. But the same thing goes for blog posts. I would like for you to let your personality show, to be somewhat conversational in the way that you write, and to, if that's that you are just a little bit casual in the way you say something, again, not unprofessional. You know it because if you and I sat here and talked, or we were on Zoom together, you would probably say something with a little bit more of a casual tone. Every once in a while, it's okay to let that creep into your writing. That helps people come to know, like, and trust you. All right. Well, thanks so much for listening to Legal Marketing Moments. I know your time is valuable, so thanks. Thanks a bunch for being here. All right. Yeah, thanks a bunch. That's pretty casual, right? All right. Until next time, I'm Nancy Myrland. You take care. Bye-bye.